always designate a safe place in the house.
Preferably someplace with no windows and low to the ground.
Go to a bathroom. It's pretty safe down there.
Let's go.
Make sure to keep up to date with local weather patterns.
Oh, look at that. 79 is the high today.
Yay!
Never stand under a tree.
Like this.
And always keep your trees and shrubs trimmed near your house to avoid excessive window damage.
Yeah.
Hey, shouldn't we be avoiding all these windows?
Yeah, we should probably find a room with no windows.
And avoid all like lightning rod things.
Avoid natural lightning rods at all costs. And never, ever stand under a tree.
Run inside when there's hail.
No! Watch out! We gotta avoid high water.
Alright, when there's no building around and you are stranded in the middle of nowhere, find the nearest car to find shelter. The tires provide adequate lightning protection. During the storm, make sure you are actively watching the weather service for weather announcements. But also, to occupy your time, you might like to play video games or cards like Angry Birds, the Star Wars game. After severe thunderstorm, contact authorities and contact all family members to assure them of your safety.
Mamá, mamá, ¿estás bien? ¿Estás bien, mamá? No tenemos casa. No está ahí. ¿Qué vamos a hacer, mamá? Oh, ¿estás bien? Ay, qué bueno, qué bueno. Te quiero mucho, mamá. Ay, I love you. I love you. Ay, te quiero mucho. Okay, adiós, mamá. Adiós. Bye, bye.